When did you get here, love? Weren't you making breakfast? You already finished? You wanted to come see me? I'm not doing anything much. Just hanging up the laundry. You're so clingy this morning. Not that I don't love kissing you, but would you mind waiting a little while? I'm pretty much halfway through the laundry, and it would be great if I could just finish this up first. I love you too, babe. Now, go wait for me in the kitchen, okay? Seriously, let me finish. Babe, you're leaning too much of your weight into me. Babe, shit, my arm. Yeah, it's my bad arm. Fuck. Shit, it hurts. Wait. Don't. You know my arm is... Fuck. Get out. I'll deal with it myself, okay? Just get out. Fucking hell. That really hurt like crazy. I'll go run some cold water over it. At least it'll numb the pain. Fuck. Oh shit, it hurts. Well, now it's totally numb, which I guess is still better than earlier. Fell right on my wounds, too. The ones from last week. This will leave more than a bruise. Maybe there's some ointment in the luggage. I can't remember where I put it. Somewhere in this bag, maybe. Nope. Can't find it. I probably didn't bring it back. There's a first aid kit on the cabinet. I'm pretty sure these don't come with the apartment. She must have put it there because she knows about my self-harm. Why did I get angry? Yeah, it hurt, but she just wanted to kiss. We've been apart for 3 months. It's only natural that she would be clingy. after I patch this up, I need to go apologize. Babe, can I come in? Please? Babe, yeah, I patched up my arm. No, why are you sorry? I'm the one who should be apologizing. You didn't mean to hurt me. It was an accident. So, don't apologize. Listen, I'm sorry. I know you just wanted to kiss. What I should have done was put down my laundry. I should have just held you for a while. It's clear that you just wanted some time with me. Going overseas probably made me a bit too stubborn. Believe me, I want to spend the rest of this week with you. Every single hour, every single moment. Babe, I really missed you, okay? I know I don't voice out my feelings, but this time, I think I have to. I think I should. I really missed you so much. You're like a pocket of serotonin to me. I don't want you to think I don't love you so much. I really do. We don't have much time together. I'll be off again by the end of the week. So, let's not spend this time fighting. Let's just forgive each other, okay? I love it when you lay your head on my chest. I love you, babe.